Welcome to online classes. I am here for standard 6. I will explain from page number 10 the story The Cock and the Anthem of Unit 1 from English Literature Reader. Before starting today's explanation in lecture 4, I will just read out previous sentence, so that will be a reference to you. The policeman hurried to assist a tall blondie across the street in front of a streetcar that was approaching 2 blocks away. Now we'll start the explanation in the lecture 4. Sophie walked eastward means Sophie walked towards east. He hurled the umbrella away from him angrily. He thrown the umbrella in cruel manner from his hand. He muttered means he murmured, talking softly against the men. He was talking softly himself against the men who wear helmets and carry clubs. The men were wearing helmets and carry clubs. Carry clubs means here heavy sticks that is required to sharpen. Because he wanted to fall into their clutches that seemed to regard him as a king who could do not wrong. They are carrying a lot of sticks. One side width, another side is sharp point is there. Means you can say one type of weapons. And if Sophie snatch 1 or 2 sticks, they can respect him as a king, and there is no wrong thing is there. But on an usually quiet corner, the completely peace, one place is there, calm and quiet place. Sophie came to a standstill. Sophie was standing there. Here was an old church. Quaint means strange, and rambling and gabbled. He was an old church, strange old church. He was there at the sloping roof and the triangular walls of the church, aimlessly and wandering there. From within its scared premises, frightened premises. That means if the building is old, if the church is old, maybe something scared. So they are drifted out to Sophie's ear, sweet music that caught and held him transfixed against the iron fence. Inside of the iron fence, he was there and hearing the sweet music. There he feeling to make dance, and he was hypnotized against the music, whatever coming from the old church. He was standing near the iron fence. Today is this much.